Hello students, today we are going to start exercise 7.1 continue. Question number 3, find the quotient and the remainder. Number 1, 28,561 divided by 5. So inside we will write 28,561 divided by 5. Okay, so here we will take first two digit, okay, 28. So now we will see in 5 table when 28 will come. 5 5 is 25, 5 6 is 30. So 30 is the greater number, we can't able to subtract from 28, right? So we will take 5 5 is 25. So 5 we will write down here up and down we will write 25. Now 8 minus 5, so we will get 3, 2 minus 2, 0. Now we will carry down this 5. So 3 is the smaller number, right? So in 5 table we will not get 3. So we will carry down this 5 also, so it will become 35. Now in 5 table when 35 will come, 5 6 is 30, 5 7 is 35. So 7 we will write down up and 35 we will write down. Now we will do subtraction. 5 minus 5 we will get 0, 3 minus 3 we will get 0. Now which number is left? That is 6. Okay, so in 5 table when 6 will come, 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10. So 10 is the greater number. So we will take 5 1 is 5. Here we will do subtraction. 6 minus 5 we will get 1. Now which number is left? That is 1. So it will become 11. Now in 5 table when 11 will come, 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15. So 15 is the greater number, we can't able to subtract. So we will take 5 2 is 10. So now we will subtract 1 minus 0, 1, then 1 minus 1, 0. Now here any number is left? No. Okay. So here remainder is 1. 1 is the smaller number. In 5 table it will not come. Right. We will can't able to divide. So here we will stop our division. So our quotient equal to 5,712 and remainder equal to 1. Okay. Like this way we have to do. Now number 2. 9,412 divided by 8. Here we will take one number, right? 9 is the greater number compared to 8. So in 8 table when 9 will come, 8 1 is 8, 8 2 is 16. So 16 is the greater number, we can't able to subtract. So we will take 8 1 is 8. Now here we will do subtraction. 9 minus 8 we will get 1. Now 1 is the smaller number. So we will carry down this 4 also. So it will become 14. Now in 8 table when 14 will come, 8 1 is 8, 8 2 is 16. 16 is the greater number compared to 14. We can't able to subtract. So we will take 8 1 is 8. Now here we will do subtraction. 4 minus 8 is possible? No. So we have to borrow from 1. So this 1 will become 0 and this 4 will become 14. Now 14 minus 8 we will get 6. Okay, 6 is the smaller number compared to 8. So what we have to do? We have to carry down this 1. So it will become 61. So in 8 table when 61 will come, 8 5 is 40, 8 6 is 48, 8 7 is 56, 8 8 is 64. So 64 is the greater number compared to 61. So we will take 8 7 is 56. Now 1 minus 6 is possible? No. So we have to borrow from 6. So 6 will become 5. And this 1 will become 11. So 11 minus 6, 5. 5 minus 5, 0. Okay, now 5 is the smaller number compared to 8. So now which number is left? That is 2. So we will carry down this 2. So it will become 52. Now in 8 table when 52 will come, 8 5 is 40, 8 6 is 48, 8 7 is 56. 56 is the greater number compared to 52. So we will take 8 6 is 48. Now we will do subtraction. 2 minus 8 is possible? No. So we have to borrow from 5. So this 5 will become 4 and this 2 will become 12. So 12 minus 8 we will get 4. 4 minus 4, 0. Now 4 is the smaller number compared to 8 and here also no digit left. So now we will stop our division here. So our quotient equal to 1176 and remainder equal to 4. Now number 3, 14,450 divided by 7. So 14,450 we will write inside and 7 we will write outside. So here we will take 2 digit, that is 14. Okay, in 7 table when 14 will come, 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14. So 2 we will write up and 14 we will write down, and we will do subtraction. 4 minus 4 0, 1 minus 1 0. Okay, so now we will carry down this 4. 4 is a smaller number compared to 7. So what we have to do? We have to carry down 2 digits. So 5 also we will carry down. So whenever we are carrying 2 digits, so that time we have to write 1 0 in quotient, right? So it will become 45. Now in 7 table when 45 will come, 7 5 is 35, 7 6 is 42, 7 7 is 49. So 49 is the greater number, right? So we will take 7 6 is 42. So we will subtract 5 minus 2, 3, 4 minus 4, 0. Now which number is left? That is 0. It will become 30. Now in 7 table when 30 will come, 7 4 is 28, 7 5 is 35. So 35 is the greater number. So we will take 7 4 is 28. Now we will subtract. Now 0 minus 8 is possible? No. So we have to borrow from 3. So this 3 will become 2 and this 0 will become 10. So 10 minus 8 we will get 2. 2 minus 2 will get 0. Now here no digit is left, and here 2. 2 is the smaller number compared to 7. Okay, so here we will stop our division. So our quotient equal to 2064 and remainder equal to 2. Now number 4, 21,578 divided by 4. So inside we will write 21,578 and outside we will write 4. So here also we will take 2 digit 21. Now in 4 table when 21 will come, 4 3 is 12, 4 4 is 16, 4 5 is 20, 4 6 is 24. So 24 is the greater number compared to 21. So we will take 4 5 is 20. Now we will subtract 1 minus 0, 1, 2 minus 2, 0. Now 1 is the smaller number, so we will carry the other number also, that is 5. It will become 15. Now in 4 table when 15 will come, 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12, 4 4 is 16. So 16 is the greater number, right? So we will take 4 3 is 12. Now we will subtract 5 minus 2, 3, 1 minus 1, 0. Now we will carry down this 7, so it will become 37. Now in 4 table when 37 will come, 4 5 is 20, 4 6 is 24, 4 7 is 28, 4 8 is 32, 4 9 is 36, then 4 10 is 40. So we will take 4 9 is 36. So 7 minus 6 we will get 1, 3 minus 3, 0. Now which number is left? That is 8. So it will become 18. Now in 4 table when 18 will come, 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12, 4 4 is 16, 4 5 is 20. So 20 is the greater number. So we will take 4 4 is 16. Now we will do subtraction. 8 minus 6 2, 1 minus 1 0. Okay, so here also no digit is left. So we got here remainder as a 2. Right? 2 is the smaller number compared to 4. So here we will stop our division. So our quotient equal to 5,394 and remainder equal to 2. Now number 5, 7,625 divided by 9. So inside we will write 7,625 and outside we will write 9. So we will take 2 digit, that is 76. So in 9 table when 76 will come, 9 5 is 45, 9 6 is 54, 9 7 is 63, 9 8 is 72, 9 9 is 81. So 81 is the greater number. So we will take 9 8 is 72. So now we will subtract 6 minus 2, 4, 7 minus 7, 0. So now we will carry down this 2. So it will become 42. Now in 9 table when 42 will come, so 9 5 is 45, right? 45 is the greater number. So we will see 9 4 is 36. So we will take 9 4 is 36, smaller number. So 2 minus 6 is not possible. So we have to borrow from 4. So this 4 will become 3 and this 2 will become 12. So 12 minus 6, 6, 3 minus 3, 0. Now which number is left? That is 5. So it will become 65. Now in 9 table when 65 will come, 9 7 is 63, then 9 8 is 72. So 72 is the greater number. So we will take 9 7 is 63. So now we will subtract 5 minus 3, 2, 6 minus 6, 0. So here we will stop our division. So our quotient equal to 8407 and remainder equal to 2. Now number 6, 43,274 divided by 3. Okay, so here we will take one digit. This means 4 is the greater number, right? So 3 ones are 3. So 4 minus 3 we will get 1. Now we will keep 3 as down. So it will become 13. Now in 3 table when 13 will come. 3 4s are 12. 3 5s are 15. So 15 is the greater number. So we will take 3 4s are 12. Now we will do subtraction. 3 minus 2 1. 1 minus 1 0. Now we will carry down this 2. It will become 12. So in 3 table when 12 will come. 3 4s are 12. 12 minus 12 0. Now we will carry down this 7. Now in 3 table when 7 will come. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. So 9 is the greater number. So we will take 3 2s are 6. Now 7 minus 6 we will get 1. Now we will carry down this 4. It will become 14. Now in 3 table when 14 will come. 3 4s are 12. 3 5s are 15. So 15 is the greater number. So we will take 3 4s are 12. Now 4 minus 2. 2. 1 minus 1 0. So here no digit is left and 2 is the smaller number compared to 3. So our quotient equal to 14,424 and remainder equal to 2. Now number 7, 42,750 divided by 8. Okay, inside we will write 42,750 and out we will write 8. So we will take 2 digit, that is 42. Now in 8 table and 42 will come. 8 5s are 40, 8 6s are 48. So 48 is greater than 42. So we will take 8 5s are 40. We will do subtraction. 2 minus 0, 2. 4 minus 4, 0. Now we will carry down this 7. So it will become 27. Now in 8 table when 27 will come. 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 5s are 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32. So 32 is the greater number. So we will take 8 3s are 24. Now 7 minus 4, 3. 2 minus 2, 0. Now we will carry down this 5. It will become 35. Now in 8 table when 35 will come. That is 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40. So we will take 8 4s are 32. 40 is the greater number, right? So we took 8 4s are 32. Now 5 minus 2, 3. 3 minus 3, 0. Now we will carry down this 0. So it will become 30. Now in 8 table when 30 will come. 8 3s are 24. 8 4s are 32. So 32 is the greater number. So we will take 8 3s are 24. Now we will subtract. 0 minus 4 is not possible. So we have to borrow from 3. So this 3 will become 2. And this 0 will become 10. So 10 minus 4 6 and 2 minus 2 0. Now 6 is the smaller number compared to 8 and here no digit is left. So we will stop here division. So our quotient equal to 5,343 and remainder equal to 6. Now number 8, 17,253 divided by 4. So inside we will write 17,253 and out we will write 4. So we will take 2 digit, that is 17. So in 4 table when 17 will come. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20. So 20 is the greater number, right? So we will take 4 4s are 16. So 7 minus 6 1, 1 minus 1 0. Now we will carry down this 2. It will become 12. Now in 4 table when 12 will come. 4 3s are 12. 2 minus 2 0, 1 minus 1 0. Now we will carry down this 5. So in 4 table when 5 will come. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So 8 is the greater number. So we will take 4 1s are 4. Now 5 minus 4 1. Now which number is left? That is 3. So we will carry down this 3. So it will become 13. Now in 4 table when 13 will come. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16. So 16 is the greater number. So we will take 4 3s are 12. So we will subtract. 3 minus 2 1, 1 minus 1 0. So here we will stop our division. So our quotient equal to 4,330 and remainder equal to 1. Now number 9, 37,582 divided by 5. So inside we will write 37,582 and out we will write 5. So we will take 2 digit, that is 37. Now in 5 table when 37 will come, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40. So 40 is the greater number. So we will take 5 7s are 35. Now we will do subtraction. 7 minus 5, 2, 3 minus 3, 0. Now we will carry down this 5, so it will become 25. Now in 5 table when 25 will come, 5 5s are 25. Okay. Now 5 minus 5, 0, 2 minus 2, 0. Now we will carry down this 8. So in 5 table when 8 will come, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. 10 is the greater number, so we will take 5 1s are 5. So 8 minus 5 we will get 3. Now which number is left? That is 2. It will become 32. Now in 5 table when 32 will come, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35. Okay, 35 is the greater number, so we will take 5 6s are 30. Now we will do subtraction. 2 minus 0, 2, 3 minus 3, 0. Now we will stop over here, subtract division. Okay, here no digit is left and 2 is the smaller number compared to 5. So here we will stop our division. So our quotient equal to 7,516 and remainder equal to 2.